How to change language on Monese Bank. Follow the instructions. Open the Monese app on your mobile device. Enter your login details if you are not already logged in. Wait for the dashboard or home screen to load. Look for the three-line menu icon usually in the top corner. Tap on the menu to open more options. Scroll down the list of options that appears. Tap on the Settings option. Wait for the Settings screen to load. Look through the Settings menu for the Language option. Tap on the Language or App Language setting. A list of available languages will be displayed. Scroll through the list to find your desired language. Tap on the language you want to switch to. Wait for the app to update to the selected language. Navigate back to the main screen to confirm the language has changed. Thank you for watching.